Number 8, file management, organization of folder. Question and answer. Children, you have already read about the file in Windows. You know the importance of the file. Now, how would it feel if all your item is in house were strewed around the floor and there are no room and almari in keep the good? It would look pretty nasty, would it not? This is where the concept of folder come in. Folders are present in computer to keep the first the file systematically. Folder organize the hub number of the files present in and computer system. You should remember that files are not only the ones you create for doing your job. Before that, there were many files for the need of the operating system. By now, you would have understood the need for folders. It is advisable that you keep file or folder related a particular purpose in their own folder. You may put files randomly also, but then it can lead a difficulty in finding in the files later. Another aspect of the folder is that it has a name. There cannot be two folders in a single location with the same name. In this respect, folder management is like file management. An empty folder somewhere in Windows 7 look like this. Creating a folder on desktop. Need to you right click on the empty area on the desktop, choose new from a drop it down menu. From number 3, from the other menu, choose folder. The above 3 steps will be create a folder on desktop with the name editable. You may type in any name you want to for it and press enter for keyboard, and a new folder with some name for you on desktop may look like this. Create a new file. Creating a new file may not be easy to create a new folder. The main reason for the difficulty is that there are no different type of folder to create, but this can be various type of files. If you must create a new files on desktop, follow the steps. Right click on the empty area desktop, click on new form of the menu, click on the many options for the type of file you want to create. Opening a folder. There are two ways for opening a folder. Number 1, just double click on the top of the folder you want to open. With this action, the folder will be opened. And method 2, open the Window Explorer from the quick launch bar. From the left pane of the Explorer window, select the location from which the folder can be reached. Navigate the folder being searched from the right panel, like this. Exercise multiple choice question. What is used to organize the files in computer system? It is folder. Answer is folder. A folder always has a name. Folder always has a name. To create a new folder in Windows Explorer, click New Folder. Answer is New Folder. The first step in creating a new file in a folder is to right clicking on the empty space in the folder. Fill in the blank. Double clicking for folder will attempt to open it. If you want to open a file, usually double click is enough. If you want to open a file in an application that is not the default, you must right click on the file icon If you do not save the file for If you do not save the file for latest change, closing the file will show warning dialog box. Warning dialog box. State true or false. Creating a files and folders are the same thing. No, it is false. That can be two folders of the same name in the same locations. No, it is false. Number 3. A folder may not contain other folders inside. It is false. A folder can be created in a folder using Window Explorer in a single click. Yes, true. How do you create folder using Window Explorer? Creating a folder on desktop need to you right click on empty area on the desktop. Number 2, choose a new from the drop down menu. Number 3, from the other menu choose folder. Above 3 steps will create a folder on desktop with the name editable.